Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Sundays with Sunaina. I hope this weekend went well. It was Diwali. So what did you guys do? I would love to know in the comments below. But today is special. I want to really show you what we need to do after Diwali. Diwali being the festival of lights. Why? Because winter is coming. So when winter comes, we are in a slump. Normally animals hibernate, they go into their shells, but we are human beings. We don't want to feel depressed, we don't want to feel slow. So basically Diwali helps you kind of re-energize yourself. So one of the most important kriyas that you must do now post this time, post Diwali when it's winter, is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati. Kapal means skull and Bhati means shining. So Kapalbhati means shining skull. Alright, this is such an important pranayama. It moves blood throughout your body. It helps you lose abdominal fat, so it helps cure obesity. It's brilliant if you have any respiratory issues. It'll help you. It'll also make you much stronger. Your lungs will become stronger. But people who have asthma and if you have wheezing going on right now, I would suggest not to do this pranayama. If you have high blood pressure, if you have hypertension, try not to do this pranayama. Alright? Let's begin. Sitting in a cross-leg position. We are first going to learn Kapalbhati for beginners and then we will learn it for intermediate and advanced levels. Alright, so we are going to do this for beginners. So sitting tall, shoulders back, chest lifted, stomach drawn in. We are going to inhale spontaneously and exhale forcefully, but we are going to do this slowly, right? So it's going to go like this. As you can see, I'm working on my stomach. I'm not trying to work my face. Okay, try to calm your face and work the abdominal muscles moving in and out, hitting your spine slowly. Inhalations, spontaneous. Exhalations, forceful. Alright, so let's do a round of 10. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. And begin. Breath in. Exhale. If this is still fast, you can go slower, like so. Okay, now for advanced practitioners, intermediate and advanced, per second you need a forceful exhalation. So, like so. So for advanced practitioners it'll be faster, for beginners go slowly. Try not going fast. The slower you go, aram se sab kuch ho jata hai. Alright, let's practice this together. Let's do one round together of 30. I'm going to go at the speed of a beginner. If you're advanced, you can do this at your speed. Spine straight, everyone. Shoulders back. We are going to do this for 30 seconds. Deep breath in and begin. Keep your eyes closed. Start to feel the effect in your skull. Cleaning the skull, making your skull shine. And gently blink your eyes open. And this was a tutorial for Kapalbhati. Try to keep the pace equal. If it's slow, keep it slow. If it is 1 second per exhalation, keep it 1 second per exhalation. You can start as a beginner, start with 30 seconds to a minute, and it can go up to about 10 minutes. Alright? So enjoy this. Happy Deepavali. Keep shining, keep energizing during the winter months. Love you all. Namaste.